Check this out. See these boats behind me? Right here. And can you see the boats, the engine? Eh? Those engines there. Alright. Now check out these ones. Eh? What's that? That is electric boats with a battery. Electric boat. Electric engine with a battery. Check that out. Old school there. New school. Wow. And they got freaking solar on the roof. Solar powered electric boat. Electric engine with battery. Battery pack. Hey? Check that out. Check that out. It's solar with electric engine and a battery pack. How cool is that? See you soon. Bye-bye.